Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. Today I'm going to reprogram my key fob here on the right side, because yesterday night I did change the battery, and when I did try to use it, it's not working. I was surprised, like I don't know why. Maybe it was disconnected somehow when I did change the battery. So now I'm going to try to reprogram it, but before I begin, I'll give it a try first to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so we'll give it a try on the remote. You see that red blink? Okay, it did not start, and let's give it another try. It really doesn't work. Okay, now let's try this one. You can tell right away. Now that you see that this remote is working and this one is not, so somehow when I did replace the battery, somehow maybe it was disconnected, and I'm gonna start to reprogram it now. First step is you have to press the engine start button twice without pressing the brake, or else you're going to start the car. So just this twice, 1, 2, and then after that you just wait for the screen to finish and press OK, and then press the remote lock 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then after that, press the lock at the driver's door 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unlock the door manually, but before you go out, press it once to turn it off, and then we're going to try if it works. I think it works already. See that one? I'll get the other remote, the old one that works. Okay, here, this is the one that we changed. This is the one that I did reprogram, and this one, so you can see it both works. Again, let's try this one. This is the one. Let's start it, the car. Okay, it is working. Okay, that is all for today. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way, and see you on our next video.